Hi, Mason. So our spelling words this week have diphthongs. Isn't that a funny word? We were laughing in class because we were saying there's not very many words that have a PH and then a TH, right? Diphthongs. So diphthongs are words that have two vowels next to each other, and those vowels make one sound. So it's two vowels make one sound, and it's not their normal vowel sound. So we know the rule: when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and says its name. Well, that's not true of diphthongs, okay? And so if we take a look at our spelling list, we're going to notice that there are 4 different vowel combinations, and there are 2 different sounds. So we have the ow sound that's made by O, U, and OW, and we have the oi sound made by OI and OY, okay? So OU and OW say ow, like you hurt yourself, ow, and OI and OY say oi, okay? And we're going to notice some rules when we see this. Let's take a look. This is one of the rules, and it says when you hear the ow sound at the start of or inside a word or syllable, use OU. But if the word rhymes with down or owl, we usually use ow, the ow sound, okay? So let's take a look at this for a second. Thousand, thousand, thous. So we break the syllable right there, thous, end, right? So we'd have that ow sound, and it has a consonant after it. But look at this one, shower, right? We break it right there. Show, ow, ow, ow. So we hear the same sound as up here, but up here we had a consonant after the OU. Here we have a vowel after the OW. Pow, OE, pow. Works for most of the time, except for like the word owl, right? In the word owl, it's only one syllable. It's the beginning of it, right? Okay, ready? Enjoy, oi, oi, oi. We hear that oi sound, and the Y is going to come at the end, just like in our list of the last 2 weeks. Bounce, bow, we hear that consonant sound right after. I know it's OE. Avoid, oid. We have a consonant sound following the oi sound, so it's OI. When the oi is at the end, it's OY. Okay, appoint, annoy. See how the oi is at the end? Proud, right? It's in the middle of the syllable. Fountain, found. So we have that consonant after, so it's an N. I'm sorry, it's an OW. Pronounce, noun. Do you see that word noun? That's another word that could be on our spelling list. But noun, the N sound follows the ow, so we know it's OU, not OW. Surrounding, it has that suffix ing. And then turmoil, oi, since we have that L sound at the end, we know it's not OY, it's OI. So even though we have 2 ways of making each sound, we can kind of figure out which one is which, okay? So we know in this oi combination, it's going to be OY if it's an ending sound. It's going to be OI if it's in the middle of a syllable, okay? For the owls, it's going to be OW if it's at the end of a consonant, or it's going to be OU if it's in the middle or the beginning of a consonant, except for words that rhyme with down and owl. Okay? Which we don't have any in our spelling list, but just in case we're trying to spell words like that. All right, so you have your spelling list with the ows and the ois, and you have 2 activities. I'm sorry, you have 5 points of activities. So you can choose how many activities you do, but you have 5 points of activities that are due by Wednesday. And hopefully we'll see you then. Okie doke. Have a great day. Bye.